Really quick, if you aren't signed up for tonight's free vision boarding class, get your bootay over to either the link in my bio. I'm also going to share the link here on my stories, because for the next 3 weeks, starting tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, your girl is going to be bringing you through the entire start to finish on how to not only create and curate the vision board with all of your loftiest dreams, goals, and aspirations for 2022, but also like how to check in on it and how to raise your vibrational frequency in the first place so that you start actually, I don't know, bringing on the things that you desire into your life. It's that easy. So get on over to the link in my bio, or just go to the next slide here in my story and you can follow the link there to sign up for the Ambitious app, and we will give you the next directions on how to get on those 3 complimentary calls. Okay, so here's the link. So get on over there ASAP. I'll see you tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I can't wait. Woo!